Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Akila Sairamidisadi from Section 2, Group 3. Today, I will present the introduction of our selected company, PETRONAS. PETRONAS or Petroleum National Berhad is a Malaysia national energy company. The company operates in more than 100 countries around the world. PETRONAS manages many types of projects, including oil and gas exploration, petrochemical projects, renewable energy projects, and digital transformation projects. As a PETRONAS handle many projects at the same time. Effective management is very important to ensure all projects are completed successfully. Therefore, PETRONAS use project portfolio management (BPM) help the company prioritize the projects, allocate resources efficiently, manage risk, and achieve a strategy objective. Through PPM, PETRONAS can select the right project and ensure the provide value of the company. Next, I will continue background and portfolio overview of the PETRONAS. As shown on the slide, PETRONAS manage a diverse project portfolio that included oil and gas exploration, petrochemical development, renewable energy, and digital transformation objects. To manage this project effectively, PETRONAS use project portfolio management or PPM, help the company prioritize project, allocate resources efficiently, and manage the risk, and support its strategic goals. Through PPM, PETRONAS can ensure the right projects are selected and the resources are used effectively to minimize business and support long-term growth. That concludes in the introduction of PETRONAS and the role project portfolio management in the company. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Farhani Binti Abdulrazak. My matrix number is PB2343. I will explain about background of the company. Petroleum National Berhad, or we call it as a PETRONAS, is a global energy company committed to producing and delivering energy and solutions needed to advance society responsibly and also sustainably. As Malaysia's national oil and gas company, they safeguard and manage the nation's hydrocarbon resources. Their aim is to maximize value through our integrated business model to meet the energy needs of the nation and also their customer across the globe. Their portfolio includes oil and gas, petrochemical, and also petroleum products, as well as a range of cleaner energy solutions. Ensuring sustainable practices across their operation is important to how they conduct their business. Their goal is to achieve net zero carbon emission by 2050, and they also strive to be a valuable partner to their stakeholders in transitioning to a lower carbon energy future in just and responsible manner. They also a progressive energy and solution partner, and these statements define PETRONAS as an organization guiding their corporate. That's all from me.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fikman bin Johar. My matrix number is PB2343. I will continue in issue in handling multiple projects for PETRONAS company. Managing multiple large-scale projects at the same time creates several execution risks. Since these projects are highly complex and run simultaneously, it's become more difficult to maintain efficiency, coordination, and control. One major issue is technical challenge. For example, different projects may involve different engineering system or design, and sometimes these do not integrate well. A simple example is when equipment specification do not match with the project requirement, causing rework and delays. Another important issue is supply chain disruption. For instance, if critical material like pipe, valve, or machinery are delayed due to supply problem or transportation issue, the entire project timeline can be affected. We also face project delays and cost escalation. For example, if one project use more manpower or budgets than planned, other project may suffer from shortage leading to delay and can increase the cost. Overall, this challenge can significantly affect project schedule, increase expenses and reduce overall performance. This shows how important proper planning, coordination in managing multiple projects. Now, let's break down this challenge in more detail. First, resource allocation is a major issue. When multiple projects run at the same time, they compete for the same workforce, budget and equipment. For example, if the same engineer or technician are required for 2 projects at once, one project may have to wait, can causing a delay. Second, there is a complex coordination across projects. Managing large-scale projects requires strong communication and clear prioritization between department and stakeholders. For instance, if the procurement team is not aligned with the engineering team, material may arrive late or not meet the required specification. Third, project delay and cost escalation are very common. For example, if there is a delay in material delivery, worker may have to wait on site, which increase labor costs and reduce productivity. In conclusion, managing multiple projects effectively require careful planning, strong communication and efficient resource management. Without this, project can easily face delay, higher costs and reduce performance. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Nazaro, BPM3343. Moving on the next slide, I continue about the challenge of handling multiple project. Point number 3 and number 4. And for the number 3 is strategy element and dilemma. At PETRONAS, it is always a challenge to make sure every project match the company long-term goals, because our resource like money or people are limited, and management face a tough choice. They have to decide which project to focus on first, which one to delay and which one to cancel completely. And for the number 4 is portfolio interdependency and domino effects. Project in PETRONAS do not work alone. They are deeply connected because they depend on each other. A single delay or mistake in one yearly project can create a bad domino effects. This can easily disrupt and delay the schedule of all the other projects in line. And in short, if we fail to balance this two areas, it will badly affect the company efficiently. That's all. I will pass.
I am Nazla Bintin Hussein with number metric PETRONAS 34339, and I will talk about the PPM recommendation for PETRONAS. The firstly is implement the advanced work packaging, which is AWP. To get all drawings, materials and resources must be 100% ready before the construction begins. This will keep the site running smoothly without workers wasting their time while waiting around. The next is to upgrade the real-time digital tracking. Sort out manually spreadsheets for smart digital software. This will give the manager instant updates on progress, making it easy to catch and fix the budget or schedules delay before they getting blown out. Next is set strict grants KPIs for every project. This must be aligned with all project goals with PETRONAS net zero carbon emission 2050 targets. Every project must include the practical steps to lower the carbon emission, like using the cleaner energy resources. So the next is focus on risk and crisis simulation. Use the digital tools to simulate the potential market crashes, supply chains disruption, or weather issues. This will ensure the project have a solid backup plan and will not completely getting hot while the things goes wrong. And lastly, enforce the sustainable decision making. Need to ensure the project leaders don't just look at the profit, but look at the every dollar spent and every resource allocate must match with the PETRONAS update corporate sustainable guidelines.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adam bin Abdullah, BPM3343. Okay, in conclusion, project portfolio management or PPM plays an important role in helping PETRONAS prioritize project, allocate resources efficiently, and manage risk effectively. However, PETRONAS still faces several challenges, including resource constraints, project delay, cost escalation, and coordination across multiple projects. By implementing advanced project management strategy and sustainable practices, PETRONAS can improve project performance and achieve its long-term goals. Therefore, effective PPM is essential to ensure project success and maintain PETRONAS competitiveness in the global energy industry. Thank you.